Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and today we are going to continue our topic chapter 15 communication. In last class we have studied about communication, type of communication, postal system, telecommunication. And telecommunication we have studied about telephone and fax. And today we are going to continue our topic mobile phones. Telephone. Today we are going to know about mobile phones. Mobile phones are wireless telephones that can be carried anywhere. We can also send SMS, short messages services through mobile phones. Mobile phones have made it possible to make a phone call while we are on the move. Smartphones have further changed the nature of the mobile phone uses. Now, apart from calling and sending messages, one can click pictures, shoot videos, play games, surf and internet, etc. on the phone. Mobile phones. Nowadays, mobile phones are most popular means of communication and mobiles are wireless telephones that can be held without any wire and it can be carried anywhere. It's handy and we can also send SMS from mobile phones. Mobile phones have made it possible to make a phone call while we are on the move. Also when we are on the way anywhere, we can use mobile, we can call, we can send messages during moving also. Smartphones have further changed the nature of mobile phones uses. Smartphones change the features of the mobiles and they are available many facilities on the smartphones. We can send messages, click photos, make videos, play games. We can use internet services on the mobile phone. Mass communication. When we have to convey a message to a large number of people at the same time, we use the medium of newspapers, radio, television, books, etc. These are all the means of mass communication. Mass communication. What is mass communication? When we want to send messages to a large number of people at the same time. When we want to convey any information, any notice to more one or two than more persons, large number of persons at the same time, we can use magazine, newspaper, radio, television and books, etc. We can convey message from these communications and these communications are called mass communication. Let us know about mass communications. Firstly, we will know about radio. The process by which information is sent out over radio and TV is called broadcasting. The All India Radio, Akashvani broadcast news and programs in Hindi, English and regional languages. It is a very popular means of mass communication, especially in villages. Radio, a process by which information can be sent over radio or TV. This process is called broadcasting. All India Radio, Akashvani news broadcast news programs in Hindi, English and regional languages also. Mostly, radios are used in rural areas and villages. In radio, we can listen only that news and programs, entertainment programs also. Now, television. Just like the radio, information is also broadcasted over television. The process of broadcasting is called telecasting. It includes news, educational programs, entertainment, sports, and weather related information. It also helps us to know about the life of people living in different parts of our country and the world. Farmers can learn now new method of farming and latest weather information. We also learn many new things from educational programs. Television is better than radio because we can also watch that we are listening to. It is very useful for those who cannot read or write. Television, just like radio, information is also broadcasted on the television. The process of broadcasting is called telecasting. It includes news, educational programs, entertainment programs, and sports and weather news also broadcasted on the television. It helps us to know about the life of people living in different areas of our country. We can see that programs also. That's why it is better than radio, because on the radio we can only listen that programs, and on the television we can see that programs also. And it is very useful for those who are cannot read and write, because they can understand them while seeing and listening. Cable connections and dish antennas to whom have now digitalized and are providing coverage from all over the world. Cable connections, dish antennas are connected to the homes and now digitized and are providing coverage from all over the world. Let us see cinema. Cinema is another popular means of mass communication. It provides audiovisual entertainment and has a mass appeal. It can play a powerful role in shaping the public opinion. Cinema. Cinema is the also most popular means of the communication. This can be provide audio visual entertainment and it has mass appeal. It can play powerful role in shaping the public opinion because public always follow that cinemas which is made as a drama, and they can convey messages to the people and they can shape the public opinion. Newspapers and magazines. Newspapers and magazines are the most popular, the cheapest means of mass communication. Dozens of newspapers are printed daily all over the country. These papers are printed in many languages and are sent to many places all over India and abroad. Newspapers and magazines. Newspaper and magazines are the most popular and cheapest means of communication. Dozens of newspapers are printed daily all over the country in many other different languages, and they can be sent at every part of our country. And these papers are printed in many languages and are sent to many places all over the India and abroad. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.